Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to put a small number above text in Google Docs. Let's get started. Go to Insert menu, click the equation and click the math operation and choose the x is b and type your text and move the right arrow key and insert number and system 2. Type the letter and type the number. Select the number, go to format menu, text and Superscript. System 3. Select the number and press the Ctrl plus dot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.